St. George's College got the better of home team Campion College 64-62 in overtime to take Game 1 in the best-of-3 ISA Under-19 basketball finals. The teams were locked at 55 all at the end of regulation time. However, St. George's College held their nerves to squeeze out the 2-point victory. Alexander Bailey led the way for the Light Blues with 17 points and got support from Rashawn Bent, who scored 10. Christopher Lawson had 20 points for Campion.
And you cannot underestimate the heart of a champion. They are going to play to the end. So hence it was a dig-dang battle. But nevertheless, we came out on top.
In the under-16 category, Wolmer's boys outscored Jamaica College 67-58 in Game 1 of their finals. Alex Farquharson top scored for Wolmer's with 26 points, while Malachi Richardson weighed in with 17 points. Sidhu Ham had 20 points and 10 rebounds, along with Tyler Fiani, who had 21 for JC.
Team that makes the last run and the best run win the game. These are two good teams. They are well coached and they have been going at each other for years. So both coaches know the players and the players know the coaches and vice versa. So it's a matter of who want it more and who get it best.
Game 2 in both series are set for Tuesday at St. George's College.